Woo! Edit Flight in the background doing a weird face back there. My name is Rashod. We have FlightReacts making weird noises. I can relate to that because, you know, I have a little ADHD, so it's pretty fun to sit there and watch someone just make random noises. It's really soothing. It's really good for the soul. And there's some people out there that watch ASMR and jack off to it. I don't judge y'all, so don't judge me, bitch. All right? That being said, make sure you follow me on stuff and Instagram and Twitch and Rashod Gaming. All right? Let's get into the... You know what? We need to fully become immersed in this video. It wouldn't be right. I have to sit there and green screen myself. Well, you know, get my editor Taj right. Appreciate you, bro. Ooh. If this is edited correctly, it'll look like you know. I don't know anymore, man. Let's listen to Flight make random noises. That's what my life has succumbed to. Oh yeah, we're starting on the right foot. We're starting on the right foot, guys. What the fuck was it? Okay, that one was wild. Like, does he just wake up out of his bed and is like, I think I laughed like that today. And then he's like, hold on. That's a school shooter laugh. Yo, this sounds like this is basically 645 AR. This is literally just like you getting a sound sample of this, like all his ad libs. I didn't know Flight had a grill. I missed that time period of his life. What the crap? That's when you... Hey, y'all. Oh, my goodness. 37 seconds on the video. This would be a beautiful thumbnail for anybody. Look, what video is he watching where a dude is in the background going, Sounds like some gay porn over there. You know what I'm saying? And then he's over there. Let's break this down a little further. Because it further... Okay. Yep, that is in the peak of it. He must have deep-throated. Pause. And then, yeah. Okay, Flight was jacking it. Oh, it's a deeper, darker criminal link. Yep, we're going to skip past that. We're just pretending this never happened. It sounds like Nigel Thornberry's son. Hey, yo, this is going to sound really messed up, but... Nah, I ain't gonna say the joke. I'm not gonna say the joke. All right, I'm gonna say the joke. When you hype the special ed, you know, kid up, you know what I'm saying, playing Roddy Ricch the box, going crazy. I say more fine that they wear face jersey. What? Flight used to look like a crackhead. I don't know what the hell transitional period this was, but he got the polo on though. A little sauce, but crackhead nonetheless. This is wild. This is a next level trolling. Make a whole bunch of random noise. This guy is a marketing genius. I swear, man. I swear Flight is. Like I will give him 100% his credit. He is a marketing genius because here I am. In 2020, reacting to him making stuff that he was doing back a while ago when I would watch him playing NBA Street Volume 2 and all kinds of stuff. That's wild. Hey! Green! Hey! Hey. Ooh, this is the part of the video where I convince you to subscribe to Rashod Gaming. Have you ever wanted the most elegant people of culture type videos like this? I'm better than y'all bums. It's time for me to leave y'all. Look at these stupid children. Stop saving people. You want to save lives? How about you save your own? You stabbed her, you idiot, and then you got shot. And now I have to use you as a little... Here you go. She playing with Shakespeare like he wasn't a work of freaking art. Like he ain't a work of art. Oh, and he's out. Beat his ass. Oh my God, I missed. Okay. Run around here real quick. This gun dude, he's a dick. Oh, I'm still alive. Oh, that's enough time to beat your ass. Got you. Stupid. You don't know how to operate out of a pick and roll. Why are you playing this game? His mom got it for him. It's like, here, little Billy. And he's like, okay. That's why you should be a part of Rashod Game. Follow me on twitch.tv/Rashod. And if you're feeling frisky, the Discord, where we have a people of culture section, all right? We talk about stuff at 3 in the morning. You were about to go to the hub and jack it? Well, guess what? No, come talk before you do that. Y'all. All right, yo. When she keeps sucking it, but you tell her to stop, hey, that's it right there. Oh, no, Flight.
Better than the rest. She don't know the whistle you would think she trying to rap. And be in denial.
Hey, yo, his laugh is crazy. Kobe. What the fuck? I remember this. Ah, that's okay. He has a part 2. Yeah, we're not gonna go there. This is gonna sick. First of all, alright, yeah, we're not gonna go there. Let's see what they're talking about here in the comment section. I'm sure there'll be nothing bad about this. Teacher, someone beat me to it. Welcome to special ed class, Flight. Please take your seat. Flight, dolphin sound. That's a weird looking bulldog. Alright, yo, that's 2 good comments, Extreme Spokes. Oh no. 142 Seal reacts. Hey, yo, these timestamps legit. Where you have good grades, but then through the whole semester, but fail the exam. Hey, yo, if I gotta do that. Wait, when she bites the tip? Oh no. Hey, yo, I'm done. I'm done. This comment section is lit. Like I said, this man is a marketing genius, yo. Flight, through the bad times and good times, I watch his stuff. He is a marketing genius. The guy has just went from being like a joke, and you had to go through that period. You got to go through being a joke before you can really be super hot. Like if you're trying to be a trolly type person. Like he had to go through being a joke where like they looked at Flight. He was always fresh. He had all the fresh gear, right? But he just wasn't good at basketball. And then he used it to his element now. Like nobody expects him to win, but they just want to see him play basketball. Like it's crazy. Marketing genius, man. With that being said, if you want more, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe. Rashod out.